Method 1, connect via Medal recommended. 1. Open Medal on your PC. 2. Click your profile icon top right. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Find Connections, Linked Accounts. 5. Look for Roblox or Add Game Account. 6. Click Connect. 7. A browser window will open. Log in to your Roblox account. 8. Click Authorize, Allow, Done. Your Roblox account is now linked. Tower Method 2. Enable Roblox detection in Medal. If you don't see Roblox in Connections, 1. Open Medal. 2. Go to Settings, Games. 3. Search for Roblox. 4. Toggle it on. 5. Launch Roblox and start playing. Medal should now automatically detect Roblox and start clipping. Common issues and fixes. Roblox not showing. Make sure both Medal and Roblox are updated. Clips not recording. Run Medal as administrator. Login not working. Try logging into Roblox manually in your browser first. Still not connecting? Restart both apps and try again. Pro tip, Medal works best when you enable auto clipping. Set a hotkey like F8 to manually capture moments. If you want